how are you? I am Aparna and you're watching Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make South Indian style Upma. Upma is every South Indian's favorite breakfast. It's so delicious, it keeps you full and it's so easy to make. So there are so many varieties that you can make. So today I'm going to show you the classic traditional variety. So let's go and see how to make this yummy upma. Did you check out other breakfast recipes available on my channel? If not, I will leave the link in my description box below. Please do check them out and let's go ahead and see our upma.
First, let's look at the ingredients we need to make this upma. So, this is called semolina or we call it Bombay Rava. This is not too fine, at the same time not too coarse. It's just perfect. This will be perfect for Rava dosa too. This is the semolina I'm going to use. I'm going to take 1 glass with this. This should be enough for 3 adults or 2 adults and 2 kids. I'll take just 1 tablespoon of chana dal. It will give nice crunch to my upma. 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 1 small piece of ginger, few green chilies, adjust according to the spiciness you want in upma, coriander leaves for garnish, half onion of this, I'll use half onion, salt to taste, mustard seeds, jeera, and 1 handful of peanuts. These are the main ingredients you need to make upma. I'll chop everything and then show you how to make upma.
So let's make the upma. Keep the heat less than medium. We are going to add exactly 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil, and we are going to first fry the rava. What it does is it prevents lumps forming in the upma when you are mixing it in the water. So this is why we fry it in the oil first. Let it heat up little bit, not too much, and we'll fry. So now that the oil is hot, we are going to add our rava and nicely fry. Make sure your heat is absolutely on the low. Fry for 2 or 3 minutes and then we'll take it out. It's fried nicely. It didn't change the color, but it fried nicely. So we are going to take this off and then make our upma. We are going to add 1 big tablespoon of oil and 1 small teaspoon of ghee, because ghee makes the upma more delicious. Just 1 small teaspoon of ghee. Let it heat up. Keep the heat on medium and we are going to fry everything. Oil is hot enough. We are going to add our 1 teaspoon of jeera. And we are also going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard. Let it splatter and then we are going to add our onions. Mustard seeds splatter. We are going to add 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Let it fry until it becomes nice and brown. It needs a little bit of time, so don't hurry up. It's going to taste nice and crunchy in our upma. Now that they have fried a little and became red, we are going to add 1 handful of peanuts and mix them nicely. Peanuts don't take much time, so you can add your onions at this stage. I'm going to add onions, chilies, ginger and curry leaves to my peanuts and others. Let it fry nicely. It doesn't have to become like brown. It just has to fry for maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and then it will be ready for our water. I'll show you in a minute how it needs. So I added, it reduced a little bit and became a little bit fried. You don't want brown onion in this. This is the stage it needs to be in. So now comes the water part, and main thing you need to remember for water is, if you are taking 1 cup of rava, you need to add 2 cups, and if you want it more mushy, you can add 3 cups of water. Sorry. So I'm going to add 2 cups of water for upma today. I also add sometimes 3 cups of water, but today I'm in more little bit drier version, so I'm going to add 2 cups of water. There goes in my second cup. And now add salt to taste. You don't need much salt. For 1 cup, I tend to add like around 1 teaspoon. Not too much. You don't want too much salt in your upma. It needs to come to a nice boil before you can add your rava back in. So let it come to your boil. It came to a nice boil, as you can see. Reduce the heat all the way to the low, and now it's time to add our rava. Slowly mix it and add it. You don't want any lumps forming. It will not form lumps, but you need to be careful and keep mixing while you are adding the rava. So let it come to a semi-thick consistency. We are going to keep boiling until it comes to a semi-thick consistency on low heat. It became solid, as you can see. Keep mixing, and at this stage we are going to add our coriander leaves. And keep mixing nicely until it becomes little bit more thicker. Not too much thicker, but little bit more thicker. Wow, look, our upma is ready. Perfect consistency. This is the consistency we are looking for. We are going to off our stove. You can serve this hot upma. Taste out of this world. Just serve it hot with sambar or with chutney. Any chutney goes with this, but if you don't have anything, you can serve it plain. It will taste absolutely amazing. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Bye.